learners, we all know that fruits are the richest sources of vitamins and minerals. Being so yummy, it plays a major role in improving human health. In this module, we are going to learn a nutraceutical component, namely resveratrol. Let us discuss what is resveratrol, its sources, and the role of resveratrol in human health. Resveratrol is a polyphenolic phytoalexin which are produced naturally by several plants when attacked by bacteria and fungi. Resveratrol being one of the potent antioxidants present in berries groups, namely red grapes, mulberries, blueberries, bilberries, and also available in spruce and peanuts. Now it's time to discuss the physicochemical properties of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a stilbenoid, a derivative of stilbene, being produced in plants with the help of enzyme stilbene synthetase, a fat-soluble compound. Resveratrol is a white-colored fine crystal powder. The melting point of resveratrol ranges from 253 degrees centigrade to 257 degrees centigrade. It has a poor solubility in water but readily soluble in ether, chloroform, ethanol, acetic acid and acetone. The picture shown in this video is the molecular structure of resveratrol. Its molecular formula is C14H12O3, whereas the molecular weight is 228.24. Coming to the bioavailability of resveratrol, it is highly dependent on the conjugate forms, namely glucuronate and sulfonate. Resveratrol has the ability to quickly metabolize in humans when they fed with 25 mg dosage of such resveratrol component. Only trace amounts were found in human plasma, and that most of the oral dose was being recovered in urine. Let us have a glimpse at its potential health benefits in humans. The ingestion of resveratrol was found to be beneficial in treating lung and breast cancers, cardiovascular disease, and aging. It was also found to have antiplatelet aggregation, hypoglycemic, hypolipidemic, antiviral, antibacterial, and life prolonging activities. Resveratrol inhibits the proliferation of human multiple myeloma cell lines, which is mediated through suppression of constitutively active NF kappa B through inhibition of kinase enzyme. With the help of silencing, it switches off the genes involved in the initiation and progression of disease, blocking replication of tumor cells, thereby involved in anti-cancer activity. Resveratrol is a potent inhibitor of A549 lung cancer. Resveratrol induces an enzyme called quinone reductase, which induces the estrogen metabolite back to inactive form. By inactivating this estrogen, resveratrol decreases the associated risk of lung cancer. The exposure to resveratrol have shown reduction in myocardial damage and suppression of platelet aggregation. By inhibiting the lipid peroxidation of low density lipoprotein we usually call as LDL, it prevents the cytotoxicity of oxidized LDL and thereby it protects the cells against any type of peroxidation, namely lipid peroxidation. Some studies have indicated that resveratrol has direct inhibitory action on cardiac fibroblasts and may inhibit the progression of cardiac fibrosis. In vitro studies have reported that hypoglycemic and hypolipidemic effects of resveratrol are more common. During the process, it was found that the trans resveratrol and rhumexoid exhibited a potent inhibitory effect on alpha glucosidase activity. It inhibits the production of cytokines which are involved in the development of obesity related disorders. Moving to the next activity of resveratrol, which is antiviral and antibacterial activity. Infection by herpes simplex virus will activate the cell protein nuclear factor kappa B. Resveratrol suppresses the activation of this transcription and apoptosis related protein in viral cells. It was found that multiple viral protein products were reduced or completely blocked, as well as the reduction in viral DNA production was seen. A cell culture study found that resveratrol blocks the influenza virus from transporting such viral proteins to the viral assembly site, hence restricting its ability to replicate. The effect was 90% when resveratrol was added 6 hours after infection and being continued for a period of 24 hours thereafter in viral cells. Using gene silencing, it switches off the genes being involved in the initiation and progression of disease, thereby blocking the replication of bacteria and viruses. Sirtuins are the group of enzymes which inhibit the activity of genes by making the DNA more tightly packed and thus less accessible for the cell's gene copying machinery. Resveratrol is a potential sirtuin activator, thereby it helps in delayed aging process. Moving to the last part of this module. So far we have learnt the pros of resveratrol. Now it's time to learn some of the side effects of consuming resveratrol. Resveratrol, being a copper chelator and consuming in excess amount, will have excessive chelation and also result in impaired copper availability in the body. It also evident that supra high dose of resveratrol inhibits the absorption of folic acid, which is an essential nutrient required for DNA repair. Use of megadoses of resveratrol while exceeding 500 mg will believed to have initiated the side effects like anemia, anxiety reactions and numbness in the fingers. I hope this module might lighten your thoughts on the health benefits of functional foods and nutraceuticals. We'll see other functional foods and nutraceutical component in the upcoming modules. Thank you.